One fact about roofing is that weather-related emergencies aren't scheduled. They're just as likely to happen in the middle of the night as they are in the daytime. Urgent Roof Repair offers 24-hour emergency roof leak services to assist our customers in need of outside normal business hours. We will have technicians available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, working quickly. Our technicians will ensure you are not left in the cold. Our technicians will ensure you're not left in the rain. Our technicians will ensure you're not left in the hail or whatever else the weather decides to throw at you. When emergencies strike, whether it's storm-related or some other culprit, Urgent Roof Repair will be there to assist you. Call now to have the roof repaired before it's too late.